Cause I don't wanna live a lie, lie, lie. Should tell my boyfriend what I've been doing. Been thinking of you. Every time I screw him. And if you want me, you gotta put the word in. Go tell your girlfriend that I'm your girlfriend. I'ma play the back end for the meantime. Took a break, had to focus on some me time. We can keep it low key for the meantime. Had the grip so tight from the inside. Got you running back to back, came 3 times. Now I'm kissing on your neck, that's a sweet spot. But if we freaking, I need you to say it. It only take one bitch to stop hating. Tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him what has been with us this whole time. Tell him, tell him, tell him. What if I let your girl find out? Tell him, tell him, tell him. What if she was to go tell mom? Cause I don't wanna live a lie, lie.